Are you interested in science and the environment? Are you innovative, curious, as well as methodical and analytical? Do you have excellent oral and written communication skills? If you have answered yes to these questions, then the occupation of agricultural scientist might be the career for you. Agricultural scientists study farm animals and crops in order to create agricultural practices that are sustainable, profitable, and ethical. Agricultural scientists are employed by agrochemical companies, feed-producing companies, consulting firms, government agencies, as well as research organizations. Although there are numerous subfields within this occupation, the two main areas are animal science and crop production. Within the specialization of animal science, agricultural scientists apply their scientific knowledge and research skills to develop animal farming. This involves a focus on animals such as meat and dairy cattle, sheep, pigs, and poultry. They study aspects such as genetics, as well as the growth and development of these animals. Others focus on diseases related to livestock, animal husbandry, as well as feeding programs. Crop scientists, or agronomists, focus on research that contributes to knowledge and techniques related to the sustainable production and quality of crops that are farmed commercially. They work to improve the yield of crops through genetics and hybridization. Some scientists focus on types of diseases that impact crops, the control of pests and weeds, as well as soil quality and improvement. Irrespective of their field of study, certain tasks and duties tend to be similar across the agricultural science spectrum. They collect and analyze samples of feed, soil, water, and other elements that may impact production. These scientists gather data on different farming techniques and the associated effects. Once the data has been analyzed, the results can be used to develop more effective techniques for increasing agricultural production in a sustainable way. Their findings are written up as reports and published in agriculture journals for other agricultural professionals to study. Ultimately, the results and output from their research is used to advise farmers or farm managers of the best practices for improving the production of crops and livestock. These scientists usually spend their time doing field work or in laboratories and offices. Hours may vary considerably and often depends on the type of work being carried out. Office work is usually done during regular business hours. Field and laboratory work often involves early mornings as well as weekends and evenings. A Bachelor of Agriculture degree is the minimum requirement for any agricultural scientist. At this level, some graduates may decide to start their own commercial farming venture or may be employed as farm managers. To work within specific areas of specialization or to progress as an agricultural scientist, a master's degree is required. Progression to more senior positions involves taking on greater research responsibility. Promotion is likely to depend on ability and experience. Obtaining a doctoral degree is often a necessity for senior roles. After gaining extensive experience in a specific field, an agricultural scientist may choose to start a consultancy business.